Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 21st, 2018, and it started getting nice for us out here again in Pennsylvania. And I wanted to show you the lilac bush, one of them. It's actually starting to bud out. You can see right here, these are actually going to be the flowers. These are the flower blooms coming. So it's spring here, and it's early spring, but you do not want to prune your lilac bushes in the spring because you will be taking these blooms off. So wait until after they bloom to prune them. And I believe there's one called Josephine. I think she blooms off and on through the summer. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'm pretty sure that's the name of it. I know there was one that did that. I never tried it. I've read about it in different books and stuff, but I never got it to try it. Now, if you have like any damaged or like diseased branches, then you definitely want to take those out. Like this branch here with no growth on it, that one's going to get cut out. It either got killed by the winter or something just happened to it. So we definitely will be taking that one out of there because we don't want, the disease to go any further. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to just cut this straight across. You definitely want to prune it on that 45-degree angle and have this bud nod here where this branch is shooting off at. You want to have that pointing up. You want your cut to be going that way on the 45-degree angle. And another thing, when you go to prune your, if you go to prune like a diseased or a bad branch out of one of your plants, you want to make sure that your pruners are nice and sharp, and you also want to make sure that they're clean. Because if you prune like a diseased branch out of one plant and you go to another plant and you prune that one, you've just spread that disease. So what I actually do, I know some people use like a water and Clorox bleach mixture to clean their pruners with. I use alcohol on mine. I just dump it like on the blades. I dump it on the handle, and I get it all nice and clean. That's what I do for my stuff. I wait for it to dry, and then I go on to the next plant. That way then I'm not spreading something from one plant to another, or like from one branch to another. This has a few things in it that actually need to be pruned out. So I just wanted to add that in there for you, because I don't want you like taking your pruners and pruning something bad out and going to the next plant with the same pruners, because you're just spreading that, and that's not what we want to do. So I just wanted to show you that. I'll come back with another video when this actually blooms. I'm really excited to see it bloom this year. It's a beautiful purple color, and they smell wonderful when they bloom. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.